Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you know, this is Medina.
Hello.
And today we are going to be telling you how to prepare for Curlfest. Curlfest is in a few days, so I know you all are excited and ready to go, but we have some suggestions for you to help make your event experience a whole lot better. We went last year and we weren't as prepared as we should have been.
No, we weren't prepared at all. So that was, it was dreadful last year. And we want to enjoy it.
Yeah, so we're going to help you guys enjoy it too with some helpful tips and tricks. And also, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that button down, up.
I think it's over here.
Where?
It's over here.
Yeah.
Somewhere.
Wherever.
It's
Somewhere
right
over here. And before we begin, we're just going to recap. I filmed some footage from last year's Curlfest, but I didn't put up the video, so I'm just going to do a little recap really quick for you guys, and then we'll get into the video.
Hi, we're here.
We made it. We made it. Hi, Curlfest. The sad bag, yeah.
All of us just walk around with your card out.
Right.
We wanted you guys to be able to get together and speak. All on YouTube, all on Instagram.
I wish I was.
We are taking a break. We're hiking from Curlfest.
Remind me to be careful.
What?
Cut my nails.
Oh.
Alright, so we are back and we are going to show you some things that we are going to be bringing with us to Curlfest, and maybe you can get some ideas on what you want to bring too.
Right.
So first,
Number one is your sunblock. Your sunblock. This is the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Formula. They actually gave this out last year at Curlfest, I think. And no, it's not expired, but I just haven't had a chance to use it. But I'm using SPF on my face daily, and SPF on my body is very important. So you want to make sure that you don't get sunburned and keep that strap on you.
last year it was very hot.
It was
so
very hot.
You want to make sure you have your sunscreen on.
Yes.
Next, what we're bringing with us is our little cooler here.
Yes, yes.
So there are food trucks there, but there are very long lines for the food trucks. So, you know, to save time and money, you can bring anything that you want. So you can bring your snacks, you can bring sandwiches, you can bring drinks, anything you want. It's a public park, so you can bring as much food as you would like.
We just want to bring food this year because we stood in a line last year for an hour and a half, 2 hours.
Yeah.
And it's really expensive when all you need is just a cooler filled with some of your favorite snacks and you get to go.
Exactly. And you want to make sure also that you eat before, just because you don't know how long you're going to be waiting in the line before you actually get into the festival. Last year I didn't really eat too much, so I had a really big headache for the whole festival, and it was just bad. So you want to make sure you eat breakfast before you go.
That and the fact you're going to be standing in the sun. And we stood in, 90-degree weather maybe last year?
Yeah,
So
it was
this year's
super
supposed to be a lot
hot.
cooler, so we'll see how that goes. But you never know.
Yes. Next thing that we're bringing.
Ooh, I have one.
So, I don't know if you are familiar with these, but these are swell bottles. These are essentials for not only Curlfest, but for any outdoor thing, festival, barbecue activity that you go to, because this will keep your cold drinks cold for hours.
Well, it'll keep whatever temperature that you put it in here as, it'll keep it that temperature for hours.
Yes.
So lukewarm, even if it's lukewarm and then you put it in the refrigerator, it still won't get cold because it's like trapped inside. So that's good.
Essential. All right, so next thing that we're bringing with us is
Our lawn chairs. Yes. So we can be comfortable and not have to lay on the grass.
yes.
And it comes with a cup holder as well. So I find these very beneficial, especially for outdoors. You don't have to be on your feet all day, nor on your butt.
Exactly. Next item that we're bringing with us is a blanket, just in case we do want to sit on the ground or lay out.
Yeah.
We do have this blanket to lay on. Last year we did not have anything.
Yeah.
So
I think I dumped stuff out of my bag and I was like laying on a canvas bag. Like,
yeah,
just in the grass.
we were
That
not
was okay.
prepared at all. I don't know why we really didn't.
Because
Think
we
about
didn't
it.
think about it like that. Curlfest has never been the way it is now. Like from the first time Curlfest came around, it has changed so much. It's twice, 3, 4, 5 times the amount of people. So we don't really know what to expect sometimes. Like I said, it wasn't that hectic before, but now we are prepared. We are seasoned vets and we are ready to get back into this thing. Booyah! I don't know if that was, but it was motivation.
Yes. And
Yes.
another item that we're bringing with us is
Our speaker, so we can listen to some tunes.
they do have music there, but you know, everybody wants to listen to their own stuff and
Right.
everything. So if you don't want to listen to the music that they have, then
We
bring
have
your
the
own
option.
speaker.
And this is very loud. This goes up to like a lot of volume.
to a lot of volume.
So it's a lot of loud. It's a lot loud.
So we have the option to listen to their music or our music.
Mm-hmm.
And another essential thing that you will need is a portable phone charger,
Yeah.
because your phone will probably die halfway
Yeah.
through the festival just because you'll be taking pictures.
Well, you
and
don't even.
videos
The thing
and
is, you don't
everything.
even get good service over there.
Yeah, so that's
service
another
sucks,
thing.
and
Remember that you will not get really good service. There's thousands of people there, and everyone's trying to be on their phones and Instagram and all that.
It's chaotic.
You're not gonna have really good service. So no matter what provider you have, you're not gonna have very good service. So that's just
Or-
something to keep in mind.
Or if you don't have a portable charger, something I do every day before I leave out of the house is I go into my settings on my iPhone and I put my phone on low battery mode so it drains power less. It closes out apps for me that I'm not using and kind of like preserves my battery. And sometimes I'll go home from a full day of work with like a 70% battery, so that's not bad. So that's another helpful tool if you do not have a portable charger. And of course, water. Oh, we already said water, but it's very important to stay hydrated. Stay hydrated. And bring an extra bag. Oh, we're also bringing a basket.
We're bringing
just too
a
big.
rolling basket just to carry everything, and we have a lot of stuff with us, but we're gonna use it also.
Yeah.
We don't want to have to carry it all in our hands, especially walking to each one of the booths. There is so many things to buy at Curlfest. So just keep that in mind. Like if you have a lot of items, either bring a cart with you or try to minimize, maybe carry a backpack or something like that, just so that you have your
Tote
hands
bags,
free.
anything. And there's probably going to be a lot of people giving away a lot of free stuff anyway. And the bags that they provide for Curlfest, no shade, but they're just like, they have to produce so many that they probably don't, use the best material. So all of those heavy products and the products that you'll buy throughout the day will just like burst out of the bag. So bring a tote bag, something heavy, durable, sturdy to carry all your goodies.
Yes. And
Ooh, ooh.
oh, there's something else I was gonna say.
Bring some scrunchies to switch up that hairstyle throughout the day, because if you
Yes.
think for a second that you're gonna rock your curls all day long, no.
I have my snappies, and I had my snappies last year. They held me down. They are holding me down right now. Get you some snappies. If you need a discount code, look in the link. Look, click down there. Click down there in the description box. Okay, I can help you out. It may not be here by Curlfest, but for all of your summer activities, you will need snappies. Okay.
Definitely. What else?
Oh, make sure you get to Curlfest early.
Leave it a good time. It's gonna be the weekend, so the traffic is gonna be horrible via train, via whatever your commute is, and it's hard to navigate throughout the park.
Yes, it really is. It's a really big park, and whether you're taking the train or taking an Uber or driving or whatever the case is, you won't be directly by the entrance. So you're still gonna have to walk regardless of how you get there.
Right.
So just make sure that you get there early and enough time to find parking, or, you know, just figure out where you're going, because the entrances are usually in different spots each year. So you want to make sure you have enough time to actually get to the line, because the lines get really long.
We had
really
a decent
fast.
spot last year, though. We really had a we had a
We
decent
did
spot.
because we bought tickets though.
Yeah, because if we didn't, but we even got there at a good time. I mean, I still want to even be further up so I can be in the shade, because we were standing in direct sunlight, but we were like one of the first, at least 20-30 people in line,
Right.
which is good. So,
And we got there like 11 last year, so that's pretty good.
yeah. Our aim is to get there a little bit earlier so we can hit up those booths, because the product goes fast
And the lines for booths
Are
are
crazy.
really long. The
And
lines
we
for
just wanna
food
plan
is
our
really
spot.
long. Exactly.
lawn,
We want to
chill out.
enjoy the festival, you know, meet people. If you see us, don't be afraid to say hi.
Yeah.
Come take pictures. Come talk to us.
Oh, bring your sunglasses too. Bring your sunglasses.
Yes.
And bring a camera, of course. It's stuff that, you know, people already know to bring and capture memories, but some people don't, so definitely want to capture those memories. I'm
For
looking around,
sure.
I'm like, is there anything else?
I think that's it.
Maybe just bring you. Bring with your heart design.
Make sure you have fun too.
Yes.
Like, there's gonna be a lot of people there. Some people are, you know, not really fond of events where there's a lot of people. Just enjoy yourself. Make sure that you enjoy yourself and meet people. This is a great networking opportunity. This is a great time to meet new friends, catch up with old friends. Last year, so many people that I knew went and I didn't even see them. Like, that's how many people were there. Like, so many people were like, oh, you were there, I didn't see you. I didn't see anybody either. Like, it's crazy, but in a good way. So make sure, you know, you plan ahead to meet up with your friends and all that good stuff. And I think that's it.
Stay hydrated, stay cool, spend that money at that Curlfest.
Yes. Make sure you got money, because there's a lot of really good deals. And you don't want to miss them. You're going to leave there with a lot of products.
A lot of product.
Like,
Samples, everything that you, like, product is like dirt cheap. So, yeah.
they have a lot of good deals.
You better get it before I do. Cause your girl
We
got
go
it.
into all the booths.
Yes. Baby girl.
And that is it. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments. And don't forget, if you see us, come talk to us. We don't bite. And
I'll probably have Uno, so you could come challenge me so your girl can.
challenge you, put some hair products.
Yes.
And as always, thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And if you want us to do more videos together, let us know.
Like the video if you want us to do more together.
Yes, like it, and comment. We love comments. We
Yeah.
love to read comments. And we will see you next time. Bye.
Got it.